Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is August the 22nd, 2022, and we're going to take a look at our starfruit trees. Basically just a progress report. And what do we see here? That looks like fruit. You know, I'm gonna have to tell you, I did not see these fruit earlier when I glanced over at this starfruit tree, nor have I seen any flowers. So the fact that this thing has fruited is really strange to me. Look, there's some fruit right there. Look at that. That's incredible. Wow, we've got some fruit. Wow. So now I know that they're big enough to fruit. And we haven't really given these guys any kind of extra special attention. We just put them in a location where it's right next to the house. It gets the evening sunlight and then some of the daytime sunlight. But if you see those trees back there, you'll notice that these guys aren't in the wind. See, they might get a little bit of breeze through here or on this side, but for the most part, they're not going to catch any wind. Starfruit, I've been informed of them not liking wind. So we put them here and it seems to be doing good. No fertilizing, pretty much just watering. We haven't even done any ground mulch for these guys. They seem to just thrive in this Florida sandy soil, this alkaline soil. Look at the size of that one. That's a pretty starfruit, huh? These are almost ripe. I can't believe I haven't seen these this whole time. Look at that. We're growing starfruit. That's amazing. And this is a sweet type of starfruit too. It's not like it's like a barely there on the sweet scale. It's actually a very sweet type. This one doesn't seem to have anything, and it's probably because it's not out there in the full sun, but it still gets a decent amount of sunlight. This one over here doesn't have much going on. It's a little younger too. I think it's a year younger than those other two. So yeah, we're getting some starfruit. Man, that's incredible. Folks, if you want to try and grow your own starfruit, the only way that I would recommend to do it is to take the most ripe fruit you can find, even something that's starting to rot, and just stick it in a pot and cover it with soil, and you will get starfruit sprouts out of there. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these starfruit and their yields. Have a great day.